And in this review, just want to quickly show you everything you get in here so you can decide this is what you're looking for your next at-home DIY project. Taking a look at everything you get here, this is going to be your charging base for your soldering iron. Provided cable, you would just plug that cable in. We do have this little mount right here. The tips is going to be in the base. You're going to have 3 different ones based on what project you are doing. You're just going to loosen this portion right here, push in your tip till it stops, and then tighten that back down. We do also have some nice precision tweezers, and then we have the plunger, which is going to help you clean out your solder wire, and then some sponges as well to help with the cleaning process. As you see here, this has been going for about 5 seconds, and you can already see all the smoke coming off of it. That just goes to show just how fast this gets heated up, and I hope that this review has helped you out in deciding whether or not this is what you're looking for. Next, we do also have your solder wire.